Now I'm going to show you how you can sign up for video calls with Google Meet. Let's learn how to sign up for Google Meet with your phone number and receive video calls with Google Meet app on your mobile device. Before you sign up for Google Meet video calling, make sure you have the new Google Meet app. Go to the Play Store, search for Meet and check this app is updated or not. If this app was not updated, update. I am using the updated one. Let's open the app. Use the new Meet app to set up your calling account. You can keep the old Meet app, but you won't be able to use it to receive calls with your phone number. Tap the menu from the top left corner, then go to Settings. To add your phone number to receive video calls, tap Calling Settings. Enter your device phone number and tap Continue. Select your number, type Continue. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the code. When you enter the code, you will see a screen says phone number verified. You can now place video calls through the Meet app with your phone number. You are ready to make your first video call. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can sign up for video calls with Google Meet app with your phone number. This video was helpful for you. Please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.